Okay, hello everyone, welcome back to the GreenecoStyle YouTube channel, where we help people live sustainably. Today on the channel, we're going to be mending. We're going to be fixing your broken zipper. I have a broken zipper on my duvet cover, but really this technique, I guess it works on anything. Broken zipper or broken zipper on duvet cover. I don't know what the title is yet, but yeah. Okay, what you need in this video is your duvet cover. See the broken zipper, I guess. You need your broken zipper, thread to match your fabric, some scissors to cut your thread, and a sewing machine. You can use a stitch ripper too. It depends on how much stitching has come out of your zipper teeth. Like mine's like come out all the way here. So I don't need to stitch rip anything, but in case you make any mistakes, it's always good to have a stitch ripper. Okay, let's go. Okay, so first things first is you're gonna want to find the bottom of your zipper, right? So the problem here is that there's no zipper stop, right? So if you can see that there was previous stitching here, that's what was used as the zipper stop. And then I'll show a picture here just in the video to let you know what a zipper stop looks like. But yeah, in this video, we're gonna make our own zipper stop, okay? Grab your zipper, the zipper tongue, I guess. Attach it to the bottom of your zippers here, right? On both sides. You gotta do this very carefully because see, the zipper teeth are like, they're a little bent, so it's hard to like kind of put it back in there, but yeah, do your best to try and put your zipper tongue back into your zipper teeth here. This is step one. Very important, these have to line up with the bottom here so that your teeth are zipping up at the perfect teeth here. There we go, there it is, see? Okay, so now your zipper tongue is on your zipper teeth. And now the next step is we make your zipper stop. Okay, let's go to the sewing machine. Okay, you thread your sewing machine. And now we're gonna make our zipper stop, which is really just back stitching on the teeth here, forward and back, okay? So back stitch on your teeth, on the zipper teeth, and that is making your own zipper stopper, okay? I went back and forth 6 times, so like, back and forth, right? Back and forth. So that would be like 1 time, right? Then you pull your threading out, and just to make it extra secure, because I don't want it to break again, right? We're gonna do it on the top of the zipper flap as well. We're gonna do a back stitch there, okay? Clip your threads. Okay, so now we're stitching on top of zipper flap. Just making sure that everything is not going anywhere, you know? So just following like the stitch lines where they were before from whoever made this, right? Okay, so that's not going anywhere. It's a lot of thread here. As always, clip your threads. Alright, well there you have it, my friends and family. Thanks for sticking around to the end of the video. I hope that tutorial helped you out with your zipper. Let me know in the comments below. And let me know also any other mending videos that you are interested in, that you're searching for. You may not find them on YouTube already. I will make that for you. If you like this video, hit that like button, subscribe, share with your friends and family. It really helps me out, and that way I can keep making more videos for you guys to help yourselves. So help me, help you, help yourself. You know what I'm saying? Drink plenty of water, please and thank you. Ride the wave, and as always, stay hydrated.